What if I told you that one of humanity's greatest mysteries might have just been uncovered, and not by archaeologists with brushes and shovels, but by artificial intelligence and advanced radar technology? A groundbreaking discovery was announced on March 16th, one that could completely change what we know about ancient Egypt, and maybe even the origins of civilization itself. We're talking about a colossal underground structure beneath the Great Pyramid of Giza, something that simply should not exist according to conventional history. And the most intriguing part, these findings were only possible thanks to cutting-edge technology, combining satellite imaging and AI to reveal what's hidden hundreds of meters beneath the surface. Want to know how this happened and what the implications of this revelation are? Then stay with me, because this video is going to open your mind to something truly mind-blowing. Development 1. The discovery. Let's get straight to the point. Scientists used a method called synthetic aperture radar Doppler tomography, a cutting-edge technology that analyzes microseismic vibrations to map hidden underground structures with extreme precision. This non-invasive technique, originally developed for deep Earth exploration and planetary research, has now been applied to one of the most mysterious places on Earth, the Great Pyramid of Giza. And what they found is nothing short of shocking. Beyond the already known internal chambers of the Great Pyramid, a massive and previously undocumented underground system has been revealed. We're talking about 8 vertical cylindrical shafts plunging an astonishing 648 meters beneath the pyramid. That's almost twice the height of the Empire State Building, but hidden beneath the ground. The sheer scale of this excavation defies everything we thought we knew about ancient Egyptian engineering. Even more astonishing is what lies at the bottom. Huge cubic structures measuring approximately 80 meters in diameter, interconnected by spiral pathways. The precision of these formations suggests an intentional and highly sophisticated design, far beyond what conventional archaeology attributes to the builders of the pyramids. But here's where things get even more mind-blowing. The radar data revealed that these underground structures aren't isolated. Instead, they extend throughout the entire Giza plateau, forming an interconnected network beneath the pyramids of Khufu, Khafra, and Menkaura. This vast subterranean system stretches to an unprecedented depth of 2 kilometers below the surface. To put this into perspective, this depth is greater than many of the world's deepest underground tunnels, completely defying mainstream archaeological explanations. Furthermore, AI-driven analysis of the radar scans suggests that these shafts and chambers follow precise geometric alignments, raising questions about their original function. Some researchers speculate that they could have been hidden passageways, energy conduits, or even part of an ancient water management system. Others believe these structures might align with celestial maps, indicating an advanced knowledge of astronomy and geophysics far beyond what is traditionally credited to early Egyptian civilization. And here's something even more intriguing. The material composition of these underground structures appears to differ from the surrounding bedrock. Initial scans indicate that some sections may contain artificially altered stone or an unknown composite material, hinting at the possibility that these constructions are far older than previously believed. Could this be evidence of a prehistoric civilization predating the dynastic Egyptians? This discovery completely contradicts traditional Egyptian archaeology and raises far-reaching implications. If this underground network was not built by the Egyptians we know, then who constructed it, and for what purpose? Could we be on the verge of rewriting our understanding of ancient civilizations? Development 2. AI's revolution in archaeology. Now, how exactly did we see this deep underground without ever touching the pyramid? The answer lies in artificial intelligence and advanced imaging technology. For centuries, archaeological discoveries relied on manual excavations and chance findings, often damaging fragile historical sites in the process. But now, thanks to AI-driven satellite imaging and radar tomography, we are entering a new era of exploration, one where we can peer into the past without disturbing a single stone. Specialized companies like Capella Space and Umbra played a pivotal role in this breakthrough, using satellite-based synthetic aperture radar, SAR, to collect ultra-high resolution data. But gathering this data was only the first step. The real challenge was deciphering what lay hidden beneath the surface. And that's where artificial intelligence changed everything. Advanced neural networks were deployed to analyze complex radar patterns, filtering out noise and reconstructing hyper-detailed 3D models of the underground structures. This AI-driven process processing not only increased the accuracy of the scans, but also allowed scientists to see deeper than ever before, revealing anomalies and formations that traditional methods would have completely missed. And the implications of this technology go far beyond the pyramids. Think about it. If AI can create three-dimensional maps of hidden structures beneath one of the most studied sites on Earth, what else could it uncover? Entire lost cities buried under sand, forgotten temples hidden beneath dense jungles, or even ancient networks of underground tunnels connecting civilizations we never knew were linked. AI is redefining archaeology, allowing us to conduct non-invasive explorations that preserve historical integrity while revealing secrets that were once considered lost forever. Even more fascinating is how AI isn't just identifying physical structures, it's also decoding inscriptions, patterns, and architectural anomalies that might provide new insights into ancient knowledge and technology. Some experts believe that similar AI techniques could soon analyze artifacts and texts to uncover long-lost languages, unlocking histories that have remained undeciphered for millennia. So are we on the verge of a new golden age of discovery? If artificial intelligence can reveal hidden chambers beneath the Great Pyramid, imagine what else might be waiting to be found beneath the sands of history. One thing is certain, this is only the beginning, and the future of archaeology will never be the same again. Development 3. Historical implications. Now, here's the big question. Who built this? The engineering required to create such deep and sophisticated structures is completely incompatible with the primitive tools and methods traditionally attributed to ancient Egypt. We've been told that the pyramids were constructed using copper chisels, wooden sleds, and manual labor, but how could such rudimentary technology be responsible for 648-meter deep vertical shafts, spiral pathways, and an interconnected subterranean network stretching kilometers below the surface? The answer may force us to rethink everything we know about ancient civilizations. The geometric precision and spiral design of these shafts suggest a level of architectural and engineering sophistication far beyond the capabilities of the dynastic Egyptians. These structures exhibit advanced load-bearing calculations, material selection, and an understanding of underground stability that rivals modern civil engineering projects. This raises an increasingly discussed hypothesis. What if an unknown, technologically advanced civilization existed long before our recorded history? Some researchers believe that these structures predate the Egyptian civilization entirely, possibly linking them to a lost civilization that possessed engineering knowledge far superior to what mainstream history acknowledges. Could this be evidence of a pre-dynastic or even pre-flood society, one that thrived before the last ice age and whose existence was wiped from history by a global cataclysm? Some theorists even suggest that this underground network aligns with descriptions found in ancient texts, such as the Emerald Tablets, which reference the halls of Amentai, a legendary repository of lost knowledge hidden beneath the Giza Plateau. Adding to the mystery, some sections of the underground structures appear to be made from a material that does not match the surrounding natural bedrock. Could this mean that advanced construction techniques, possibly involving lost forms of energy manipulation or even geopolymer technology, were used to create these formations? If so, it would suggest that these deep underground structures were not only built with precision, but with an intentional purpose, perhaps for energy storage, knowledge preservation, or even as a protective sanctuary from ancient cataclysms. The implications are enormous. If these structures were built by an unknown civilization, then we are missing a massive chapter of human history. Who were they? What happened to them? And how did their knowledge disappear? Could it be that the Great Pyramid, rather than being a mere tomb, is actually a marker or gateway to something even greater, a hidden history buried beneath our feet? Whatever the case, this discovery shatters conventional historical narratives and forces us to question everything we thought we knew about humanity's past. Development 4. Theories and mysteries. This discovery also raises another fascinating question. What was the purpose of these structures? Traditional archaeologists might suggest that these deep shafts and massive underground formations served as ventilation tunnels, water reservoirs, or irrigation channels, possibly supporting early city infrastructure. But when we consider the scale, depth, and complexity of these constructions, these explanations start to feel inadequate. Could these passages have served a far more advanced and enigmatic purpose? One of the most intriguing theories suggests that these structures structures were not merely tunnels, but part of a sophisticated energy system. Some researchers proposed that the Great Pyramid of Giza, along with its underground network, wasn't just a tomb, but an ancient power plant, harnessing natural electromagnetic energy from the Earth itself. The idea is that these spiral pathways and cylindrical wells could have functioned as conduits for energy transmission, using a now lost form of electromagnetic resonance technology. If true, this would mean that the pyramids were not just monuments, but intricate machines tapping into geophysical forces. And there's more. Similar subterranean structures have been discovered in other ancient sites around the world, such as in Teotihuacan, Mexico, and Göbekli Tepe, Turkey. Could this indicate a shared global knowledge of underground energy systems, possibly belonging to an advanced lost civilization? Some even speculate that these underground structures resonate with planetary frequencies, suggesting they may have played a role in wireless energy distribution, a concept eerily similar to Nikola Tesla's theories on wireless electricity. But let's not forget the ancient legends surrounding Giza. Many historical records, including those from Herodotus, Plato, and Arab scholars, speak of a hall of records, a hidden underground library containing the knowledge of a pre-Diluvian civilization. Could these newly discovered underground structures be physical proof of this long-rumored repository? If so, what kind of knowledge might be hidden down there? Could it contain records of lost technologies, forgotten histories, or even evidence of contact with unknown civilizations? The deeper we go into this mystery, the more questions emerge. If these underground formations weren't built for irrigation or tombs, then who built them and why? Were they part of an ancient energy grid, an underground transportation system, or something even more revolutionary? And most importantly, if we've just uncovered this much with modern AI and radar scanning, what else remains hidden beneath the sands of history, waiting to be discovered? Conclusion. Regardless of the interpretation, one thing is certain: this discovery changes everything. Artificial intelligence is allowing us to unravel mysteries that once seemed impossible. And this raises an even bigger question. If we found something this monumental beneath the pyramids, what else could be hidden beneath our feet, waiting to be discovered? Are we on the verge of rewriting human history? And more importantly, what could future applications of this technology reveal about other ancient mysteries? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Does this change your view of ancient Egypt? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Because one thing is for sure, there is so much more to uncover and you won't want to miss it.